guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing the Boxycharm unboxing today for December. I already opened it and I am very pleased with it. I've been already using everything. So we got this LMS, if I'm saying that right, Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. As soon as I opened up Boxycharm, this is what I smelled. It's like wonderful. So this is what it looks like. And it smells amazing. I like how it has the angled tip, so you could just drop it on your face. Yeah, this stuff is amazing. I love the way it smells. And I think it's valued at $79. Yeah. So yeah, I already opened it, as you can see. It's Boxycharm Whimsy, by the way. And I got variation number 9. It says it down there in the corner. You can see it right here. So yeah, that's retailed at, let's see, yeah, $79. I'm very happy with that. I already used this. I really like it. It's by xoxo. Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. And that retails for $28. It's got cute packaging. And that's what it looks like. Very nice. I don't know if I could swatch it for you. You won't be able to see it because it's not that, it's not that overpowering. It's just a nice little pink. So we got that. And this I was excited about. The brow bar. It's like got such cute packaging. So you open it. And it's got the brush and the different shades. And this. Let's see if I can open this. Yeah, this I haven't tried yet. But yeah, can't wait to try it. Very cute packaging. And that retails for $30. And then got this brush cleaner for your brushes, Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. It's a great size. And yeah, I didn't use it yet. But yeah, to clean your brushes. This will last me a while. And that retails for $12. This I just loved. This is the cutest palette I own. Just because of the packaging alone. It looks like a little book. Isn't it adorable? So it's Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics, and I got the Little Red Riding Hood one. And it's got got a nice big mirror here. And these are the colors. Yes, I've used it already. And I just love it. It's adorable. I want to get like all of them. So let's see. This is retailed at $35. So yeah, that's what I got in my Boxycharm. Yeah, it was well worth it. Absolutely well worth it. This stuff alone, I just love it. I can't believe it was worth $79 and we got it in our box. Yeah, so that's my December Boxycharm. I just want to let you guys know something else. Milani Cosmetics does Afterpay. So I was like, what? Yeah, so I ordered some things. And now I pay $9.22 every 2 weeks until January. So I got like 4 payments, something like that. So I got this Milani Prep Set and Go Transparent Face Powder. I use this under my eyes to set my concealer. So I got that. This lipstick, it looked different online, the color, but it's okay. A more matte. And I can't see what the color is. Wait, it's upside down. Number 20 in sugar. It's like a very deep color. But it's nice. And then I got this brow kit. Not kit, well, it's this and the brush. In 04 brunette. So this is what I've been using. And it came with this brush, the spoolie, the applicator. And then I got this set. It's Milani Trend Mood Eye Kit, Gilded Desires Eye and Face Palette. And it comes with a primer. So I got that primer in there. And then this is the palette. Very shiny. That's the back of it. And it's got a huge mirror. It reminds me of a Tarte palette. It's got highlighters down there. These colors are amazing. Like, look at these pretty colors right here. Great for the holidays, you know. And this highlighter is like insane. Let me see if I could show you. Like, look at that. Hello. Hello. Isn't that crazy? It's beautiful. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. You know, that they do Afterpay. So yeah, you can go on the Milani website, pick some things. I think there's, you have to at least spend, was it 30? Yeah, I think it was. You can't like just spend $10, you know. You got to spend a certain amount. And then they just bill you every 2 weeks. Yeah. Comes out of your, you know, whatever you have set up. PayPal, whatever. Yeah. So I got that. So I was just letting you guys know if you like Milani, which I do too. Oh, I forgot. I also got the Milani foundation. That's like my favorite one. Like, I've gone through so many of them. And that's like my one that I've been using for over a year now. And yeah, it's the one with the primer already in it. It's number 04. Yeah, so I forgot to bring it because, you know, I use it every day. Every day. So yeah, all that stuff. $9.22, I believe, every 2 weeks for 4 installments. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Alright guys, so that is it for my Boxycharm December unboxing and my Milani purchases. And yeah, let me know what you got in your box because, you know, we've got such variations now. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.